as Who Sung It Wednesdays.
Who sung it Wednesday?
Well, you know who done it many times, right? But I think we don't know who sung it.
Yes.
तो आज का टॉपिक नहीं, थीम है Who Sung It Wednesdays.
That is
अगर
right.
आप पहचान के यहाँ पे कॉल कर सकते हो, कॉल कीजिएगा. Lines are open for you guys to give us a call here. 4089122479 4089122479. And of course, Bhajan, 107 days हो गया है हमारा shelter in place करते हुए. And if you're very excited about the fact that some restaurants are open for you guys to go eat inside, that has been cancelled right now. Bhajan, today's latest release as of noon was the fact that Gavin Newsom has ordered 19 counties in California, which includes LA and all the places, and also includes Santa Clara.
Yes.
So restaurants have been asked not to serve indoors anymore. Outdoors probably still have it. All the directors, जो भी आने वाले हैं आपको, you can go check it out on Media Mahima. We have post an update to you by this evening for sure, Manujam. And yes, but doesn't matter. हमारे एरिया तो of course outdoor. You can enjoy outdoor or indoor anywhere for the matter, right?
Right.
तो Who Sung It में फालतू नहीं, पहला पेशकश क्या है?
आल्टो बाबा, क्या मेरे पे डाल दिया फिर से?
अरे फालतू नहीं, तेरे पे always डालता हूँ यार तू. Hey, don't you? I saw you line up the song also.
No, I did not line up any song.
Oh my God. Bhajan, I will play a song for you guys. आप बस मुझे बोलो इसमें सिंगर कौन है, right?
That's right, Panujan. आपको बताना है who sung it.
देखो,
क्योंकि जिन सिंगरों के बारे में आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं, उन सिंगरों का इतना टॉक नहीं है इंडस्ट्री में.
Well, let me tell you, Amadi Faltwani, in the process of this research of this particular thing, Bhanujan, I came up on one thing which is very important, and unfortunately, our Indian cinema industry is not focusing on that element of it. But they're talking a ton about nepotism and everything. Nepotism, chodo maro goli. What's important in our particular Indian cinema is clique formations.
Correct.
Now, cliques mein kya hota hai ki cliques will lead to bullying. You'll keep somebody in one circle, push somebody else out of the circle. You know, typical high school musical kind of thing.
Correct.
High schools जहाँ पे अमेरिका में जो होता है ऐसे इंडिया में हो रहा है, schools and everything, right?
Right.
So let's see. ये जो अभी हम लोग सिंगरों की हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, typically are not pretty much in the clout. Where they get promoted to do a lot of stuff. Because they're not part of those two major musical companies.
T-Series और Z Music Company.
Yeah.
जिनका जो वो क्या कहता है जबरदस्ती चलता है इंडस्ट्री में.
Yes.
क्योंकि वो लोग डिसाइड करते हैं कि कौन से गानों को प्रमोट करेंगे और उनके साथ जो सिंगर्स टाइड अप है उनका ही प्रमोशन होगा.
Correct.
So and अगर किसी ने किसी के बारे में थोड़ा ज्यादा बात कर लिया, पता नहीं जितना भी टैलेंट हो उस बंदे में, उसको
बंदे या
बंदी में उसको दबा के मार देंगे.
Correct.
In the sense कि अरे उसके सामने इतने सारे लोगों को पेश करेंगे कि लोग उनको देख नहीं पाएंगे.
Correct. तो let's start off with this particular singer.
Yeah.
आपको बोलना पड़ेगा. Well, no, actually, I picked the wrong song actually.
Yes. तो इस गाने के साथ चालू करते हैं.
चलो, let's start with this song. आप बोलो इसमें singer कौन है? Very talented singer. And industry tried to subdue this particular singer. But again, talent कोई छिपा नहीं सकता फातरनी. That's what I believe. If you have talent, कहीं पे भी आपको exposure मिल सकती है.
लेकिन उसका एक और problem भी है, मालूम है आल्टो बाबा?
बोल.
She was the first person who talked about the hashtag #MeToo in the Tamil film industry.
Yeah, but they totally ruined that.
And they completely boycotted her. Can you believe that, Panujan?
That is bullying, na?
That is bullying, yeah.
That's what the cliques decided to boycott her because she just talked about something very interesting. Okay, the point is, ये कौन singer है? आज का पूरा ये है about who sung it.
Yes.
How much do we know about the singers who we sing? Do we just take a stab and say, no, it has to be Arijit Singh. It has to be Shreya Ghoshal.
It is Shreya Ghoshal, it is Arijit Singh, it is Sunidhi Chauhan, it is Sonu Nigam.
If it's not Shreya Ghoshal, it should be Sunidhi Chauhan.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? So can you please play the song?
Here you go, Banjan. सुनिएगा और हमें बताइएगा कि ये सिंगर कौन है. Who sung it Wednesdays? लगाना. Eh?
तितली दिल उड़ा है कहीं दूर.
चश्मे बदलू
के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर
भूरी भूरी आंखें तेरी कंखियों से तेज तीर कितने छोड़े दानी दानी बातें तेरी उड़ते फिरते पंछियों के रुख भी मोड़े
अधूरी थी जरा सी मैं पूरी हो रही हूँ तेरी सादगी में होके चूर बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर
And of course, the number to call you is 408912279. बस हमने आपसे ये पूछा था कि who sung it
Yes.
Wednesday. So let's welcome on the waiting line. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Who sung it Wednesday में? Who's this? Hello. Hi,
Hello,
Pam.
Pam.
पम
विशाल जी कैसे हैं आप?
बहुत बढ़िया। कहाँ थे आज तो आपने हद ही कर दी।
हद कर
आपने
दी आपने, हद कर दी आपने. अच्छा
बहुत
पहले
देर से दर पे आँख लगी थी सनम आते आते बहुत देर कर
आपके रिस्पॉन्स में मैं ये गाऊंगा. देर लगी लेकिन हमने आपका गाना लगा दिया, सुन के मौज मस्ती में
देखा?
बेरिया को घुमा दिया.
घुमा दिया।
वेरी गुड. बाय द वे द पॉइंट इज आपने क्या रे
मैं कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ.
बोल डाल.
विशाल जी,
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए।
विशाल जी, अब आपको महसूस हो रहा है जब आप हमें कॉल नहीं करते हो हमें कैसे लगता है?
आई लगा 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 रे, लगा 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 रे. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. वेल वेरी गुड. तो एक्चुअली आपका आज का शो पे स्वागत है. एंड आई थिंक पीपल म्यूजिक लवर्स शुड एक्चुअली लिसन टू दिस शो.
हाँ.
And music lovers should take part in today's show.
Yeah.
Music lovers should be actually, who are true music lovers should be calling our show today.
Only true music lovers.
Only true music lovers should be calling our
Only
show.
true music
Yes, yes.
lovers,
Because
yeah.
आज का
वो
शो
थोड़े दूर भी अगर रहते हैं माउंटेन हाउस या उधर उधर भी कहीं रहते हैं तो भी कॉल कर सकते हैं।
नहीं
वहाँ
अभी
पे भी
उन
लगता है call।
अरे उनको भी एक्सक्यूज नहीं है ना. बिकॉज लोग ऑल द वे फ्रॉम ईस्ट कोस्ट हमें कॉल करते हैं भाई.
हाँ.
मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ
ओह,
हाँ तो
अच्छा करने लगे वहाँ पे भी फोन लगने लगा क्या?
बस हाँ उन तो आप वो आपको फॉलो कर रहे हैं ना. आप जो कर रहे हैं वही करेंगे वो लोग भी. दे वांट एंजॉय और हैव फन विद लाइफ. सो
Yeah.
हाँ,
तो वो कॉल कर
अच्छा,
रहे हैं.
अच्छा।
लेकिन देखो आज एक्चुअली ट्रू म्यूजिक लवर्स जो होते हैं ना विशाल जी, मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको कि वही सुनेंगे और वही कॉल करेंगे आज.
Exactly.
जो ट्रू दिल
Yeah.
से म्यूजिक लवर्स है.
हाँ.
ऐसे बातूनी लोग जो बस बातों में बात करते हैं वो लोग नहीं कॉल करने वाले आज. मुझे मालूम है.
हाँ, हाँ।
बट आप बताओ आज का शो हु संग इट वेडनेसडे में जैसे हमारे सोनू निगम साहब ने बताया था. और जैसे कि हुआ था ये सुशांत सिंह राजपूत वाज अ एक्टर. ऐसे ही हमारे सिंगर कम्युनिटी में हो सकता है उन्होंने बोल दिया. राइट.
हाँ.
मैंने उसको बहुत दिल पे ले लिया.
हाँ.
So I thought we should actually bring in awareness to all the singers in the industry
Yeah.
as much as possible. Correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Hit songs को लेके
Right,
हम लोग
right.
हाँ.
देखेंगे because some of the hit songs we know the songs but we always misunderstand who the singer is.
हाँ जी.
Right? दो लोगों को मैंने पूछा था
Correct.
ये अभी जो फालतू ने गाना लगाई मस्त गाना है. People did not know
बहुत
who
ही
it
अच्छा
was.
गाना है।
Yes. आपको मालूम है आपने आंसर भी दे दिया फेसबुक पे लेकिन बताओ कि कौन है ये.
ये अपनी चिन्मय श्री प्रदा जी हैं
वेरी गुड. तो आपको मैं डेफिनेटली गूगल लगाऊंगा.
जो
हाँ.
हमारे इवेंट में भी आई थी।
करेक्ट,
अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमने अटेंड नहीं किया था, बट
डजंट मैटर,
आई
बट
नो इट वाज अ हिट।
गूगली जो मैं आपको लगाने वाला हूँ वो है कि हाँ आपने सही
अच्छा,
पहचान।
गुगली भी थी?
हाँ हाँ, ये गाना, यस यू राइट, इट इज चिन्मय श्री प्रसाद।
ये मत
हमें
पूछना
एक
जो उसके साथ अरिजीत सिंह ने गाया था।
नहीं नहीं, आपको बोलना पड़ेगा एक और गाना जो चिन्मय श्री प्रसाद इज फेमस फॉर। मैं उसको बहुत लगाता हूँ। I love that song. I play it as often, and I call that song as a romantic song. Though Faltoni will not agree with me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hey, hello. Love is all about giving 100% to somebody, Faltoni. To
Yeah,
be same.
that's true.
हाँ, I know, मुझे याद था।
याद था? अच्छा, fine. Doesn't
हाँ।
matter. कोई और गाना बताओ. She sung beautiful songs actually.
Yeah, she's got a lot of hit songs.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, after the particular thing which she brought up, that hashtag #MeToo, it was very unfair how the industry boycotted her totally.
Like she was one of the even before Me Too like caught up in Bollywood, right? She was one of the first people who talked about how this बहुत famous
But लेकिन South के हैं वो.
तमिलियन lyricist हैं वैरमुत्तु करके, उनके बारे में इसने लिखा। और के जैसे क्लासिकल म्यूजिक विद्वांस हैं साउथ इंडिया में, उनके बारे में भी लिखा कि उनका भी कितना मी टू वाला सेक्सुअल एक्सप्लॉयटेशन होता है लेडीज का। तो the moment she started talking about it, everybody started boycotting her. They and then it's really sad. I mean, sometimes you feel like, such wonderful talent is going to waste because people will not let them come up.
अच्छा तूने बहुत टाइम दे दिया, विशाल जी सोच रहे हैं कौन सा गाना।
अरे वो अभी तो वही एक याद आ रहा है, शायद वो था मैं रंग शरबतों का,
उस पे वो थोड़ी है।
घाट का पानी।
I think she sang
नहीं
that.
था।
Is that her?
I don't know if she's there in that. That is, of course, that is Atif Aslam.
ओह अच्छा हाँ याद आ गया, जो रोमांटिक सॉन्ग।
हाँ, कौन सा वाला? कौन सा वाला?
बोला।
अभी थोड़े दिन पहले ही बजा था।
हाँ।
अच्छा बताओ क्या गाना है?
अरे किसी और को पूछो, मुझे याद आ गया।
ये बहुत easy to getting out of the whole thing. By God, seriously. Easy way.
बहुत ही रोमांटिक सॉन्ग है।
काफी रोमांटिक सॉन्ग है, yes.
क्या ये
मेरा नाम मेरी है।
Yes, exactly. मेरी सो टक्का तेरी है. Very good.
तेरी है।
Wow. Sir, finally now the world is opening up to my knowledge. Very good. It's nice.
या
अज्ञान की तरफ बढ़ रही है हमारी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हमारी दुनिया जो फालतू नहीं अज्ञान की तरफ बढ़ रही है, अज्ञान की तरफ, फालतू ज्ञान की तरफ। वेरी गुड, आई एम सो प्राउड बाय द वे। वेल विशाल जी, थैंक यू सो मच। 100% राइट। ऑफ कोर्स मैंने बताया ना, आज जो भी कॉल करने वाले हैं बस वही कॉल करने वाले जो म्यूजिक लवर्स हैं, ठीक है?
या
वही हम लोग मांग के चलेंगे आज। ओके, थैंक यू सो
Thank you
मच।
so much for calling in, Vishal ji. Have a beautiful, fantastic
तो
evening.
फालतू नहीं, आई हैव वन मोर सिंगर। तो हम लोग वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ विद फीमेल सिंगर, सो फीमेल सिंगर का सागा थोड़ा और बढ़ाएंगे हम लोग, राइट?
Okay.
So here's a song which probably people would not have remembered to have heard. This is from a kind of a flop movie of Arjun Kapoor and Sonakshi Sinha.
हाँ.
इसमें एक गाना है, very nice गाना है. All I'm asking you is whether would you know who the singers are, right? Now thing is, ये singers ऐसे singers नहीं है जो backed up by big money or big bucks, right? तो call करो और बताओ 408-912-2479 पे। Now 79 पे 408-912-2479। सॉरी, थोड़ा जल्दी बोल रहा हूँ तो आई वांट टू स्लो डाउन माय पेस लिटिल बिट। 408-912-2479 पे कॉल कीजिएगा, 79 पे, एंड बताइएगा कौन है सिंगर। नाउ you're free to go and Google, be resourceful. When you actually go look for it is when you'll know about it. या तो हम आप बाद में शेयर करेंगे for sure, लेकिन अभी के लिए सुनिएगा, एंजॉय कीजिएगा गाने को। वैसे पहचानिएगा कौन है सिंगर, ओके? 408-912-2479। चकमा खा गए क्या? नहीं सोच लो कि कौन सिंगर हो सकती है. नंबर टू कॉल योर 4089122479 एंड हाँ थोड़ी गाने गाए हैं उन्होंने.
की बहकी आकी बाकी गलियां आका झाकी करती है तेरी तरह सैया थोड़ा थोड़ा मीठा थोड़ी थोड़ी अम्बिया झटपट मधुबन तेरी तरह सैया कान्हा की प्रीत में धड़कन की बीट पे ढोल मंजीर बजाएगी म्यूजिक बजेगा लाओ तो राधा नाचेगी म्यूजिक बजेगा लाओ तो राधा नाचेगी या उड़ाए मेरी दिल जो ये बंदूरी और दीवानी लगे तो क्या ये काली गोरी भगत नाम लेके करता है किसी चोरी खाना किशोर होके करता है सीधा चोरी बांधी थी सीधी तिरछी सी लागे झुलमी ये जुल्फें तेरे पीछे भागे हाँ अधरों को कैसे करूं कहो बस में भोर की लाल न गए कि ये जागे कान्हा की प्रीत में तारों को खींच के धिन तक नचाएगी म्यूजिक बजेगा लाउड तो राधा नाचेगी म्यूजिक बजेगा लाउड तो राधा नाचेगी
राधे 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 और राधे 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 राधे. आहा, कैसा है आपके राधे? तो कॉल कीजिएगा यहाँ पे पूरे पूरे ना आधे आधे. नंबर टू कॉल योर 4089122479. मतलब क्या था?
तो ऐसा क्या कहा
अरे मुझे अच्छा मैसेज मिला आज भी. प्रणब जी ने एक मैसेज मिला मुझे.
हाँ.
मैं उन्होंने एक्चुअली बताया मनोजन कि उनके हिसाब से द स्टेटमेंट आई मेड अबाउट आवर द यू नो अर्थ ज्ञान्स.
हाँ हाँ
वो बोलते हैं देयर आर सम मोर पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड हु सेंसिबल folks left to get something into it.
I don't know, get sweated into it, what does that mean?
I think
I didn't
टाइप हो रहेगा.
हाँ.
लेकिन उनका कहने का मतलब है काफी सारे लोग अभी भी अपने दिमाग को बंद करके बैठे हैं.
हाँ 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 हाँ
तो इसलिए मैंने खोल दो दिमाग को, ओपन माइंड.
I love
यस होता है यार कभी कभार. क्या फादर इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ज़ेन स्टोरी. समझाओ क्या तेरे को?
हाँ
मैं बताऊं तेरे को.
बता
एक ज़ेन स्टोरी है. एक बंदा जाता है गुरु के पास, ज़ेन गुरु के पास. बोलता है अरे गुरुजी मुझे सीखना है. बोलता है गुरुजी बोलता है अच्छा बैठ. और उसको बोलता है चाय पिएगा? हाँ बोलता है हाँ. तो चाय का कप देता है. तो चाय रेडी है कप में. थोड़ी देर के बाद और थोड़ा चाय देता है.
हाँ
और देता रहता है. बोलता है अरे गुरुजी इट इज स्पिलिंग आउट, क्या कर रहे हैं?
हाँ.
बोलता है हाँ एग्जैक्टली.
हाँ.
पहले अपने दिमाग को खाली रखो, बाद में मेरे पास आओ. बोलता है
गुरुजी मुझे छोड़ दो, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आएगा. ऐसे बाप रे क्या रैंडम, मेरे को कनेक्शन ही समझ में नहीं आ रहा. अल्तु बाबा तू क्या बात कर रहा है, वो प्रणब जी क्या बात कर रहे हैं, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
द वर्ड इज नॉट ओपनिंग अप बोल रहे हैं मुझे. हाँ तो इसलिए बोला मैं नॉट ओपनिंग अप बिकॉज अ क्लोज माइंड. कहने का मतलब
ओह वैसे ओके
Yes,
ओके ओके
ऐसे ही और के साथ. And of course, बच्चे नंबर टू कॉल is 4089122479 4089122479. Well, आज है Who Sung It Wednesday, जहाँ पे हम लोग only people who actually understand what music is and true music lovers, not the ones who only love their music.
Right.
Only want to listen to their songs, not those kind of people. I'm talking about people who actually love music, who appreciate music, appreciate singing and all, will know something about the show today.
राइट.
And we'll start to learn more about the existing singers of our industry.
Correct.
तो अभी दो तीन मिनट पहले we actually played a song of Chinmay Shripatha, another wonderful singer. And female singers का जाय रखते हुए मैंने एक और गाना लगाया. And this song actually I told you it's a movie called Tevar. Movie चली नहीं लेकिन सॉन्ग चला डेफिनेटली इट वाज
Songs chale.
हाँ सॉन्ग्स चले एक्चुअली बिकॉज
Was it Vishal Shekhar music or was it Preetam? Who was it?
I have to confirm that with you, Fatwani. But the point is, the song, right? The songs ran very well.
Right.
If I'm not mistaken, Sajid Wajid was the music director of this particular song.
Sajid Wajid, yes.
And इसके ऊपर तो of course
Correct.
सलमान खान का बड़ा हाथ था, इसीलिए वो हिट भी हो गया थोड़ा बहुत songs. But movie इतनी चली नहीं because I think people didn't accept the story from a Tamil industry.
Right.
ये भी तो कॉपी था ना वो what was the thing गिल्ली फिल्म का कॉपी था.
Oh.
His story was a takeoff from one of Tamil movies of Vijay,
Huh.
and did not do very well, unfortunately, in the Hindi market.
Right.
But the point is, I'm not talking about the movie. I'm talking about the singer, right? Now we got the answer for the singer on Facebook again. लेकिन कुछ लोग को phonophobia होता है,
Yeah.
and they don't want to call and share the thing. That I understand. But yeah, so people today's songs might sound popular. वो क्या था तूने बताया हिंदी में क्या बताया तूने? गाने जाने माने लेकिन गाने वाले को कौन माने
गाने वाले को कौन पहचाने?
पहचाने
हम पहचानेंगे, हम
हम
पहचानेंगे.
पहचानेंगे.
एंड बदुजन एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है, देखिएगा जब आप अब ये विजुअल एलिमेंट जब आ गया, अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कि यू नो एवरीथिंग दैट गोज इनटू मेकिंग दैट विजुअल एलिमेंट पॉसिबल. एंड उसी के बारे में शायद सोनू निगम साहब बोल रहे थे कि यू नो म्यूजिशियंस का भी recognition होना चाहिए.
I totally agree
In
with you.
fact, when there is, जैसे if you look, yeah, antitrust laws and all these things that are there in place in the European Union, and European Union takes it very seriously. United States may be here, but people get around it. There's a reason why these big behemoth companies, उनको ये सब उन पे ये सब suits लगते हैं क्योंकि there are barriers to entry for a lot of you know new and upcoming talent in companies. उनको खा जाते हैं. Generally, they'll basically literally खा जाते हैं. I'm not kidding you. They will buy that company out and just to make sure that there's no competition.
Yeah.
So similarly, उसमें किसकी who's most worst affected? Well, it's the people who are the talent in the company, right? Similarly, जो इंडिया में talent है, वो कहते हैं कि उनको दबा के रखने के लिए, in the sense that they can control pricing, how much is paid, what cut they get, they control everything. If you haven't seen the movie Rockstar, and you can say, oh, yo, मुझे पसंद नहीं है रणबीर कपूर, ये सब, whatever, right? Please go watch the movie. You will understand what the angst of a musician is when they come into these kind of production companies. It's very beautifully depicted. It's actually true that happens. Whatever happens in with these production houses. So that is why we are saying today कि अगर हम लोग उनको you know recognize करेंगे कि जो talent है कि चलो यार ये हो गया चिन्मय श्रीपादा, I know her, so this is her song, and we demand for good music regardless, right? Or like how Kangna Ranaut said, if we demand that we want to see more Sushant Singh Rajput, more Kangna Ranaut, more Irfan Khan kind of movies, if we look for that and we promote that kind of talent, then obviously these companies have nothing, they will not make money, and we ought to make sure that there's equal opportunity. It's up to us.
Correct. And yeah, मैंने बताया था आपको इस सिंगर के बारे में. ये I told you she's got a few hit songs to her credit. And if you say hit songs to credit, the kind of songs I enjoyed, definitely she sang a few of them. You know, Padmani, the song she sang?
Which song?
Jalebi Bai.
Who?
The singer of this particular Radha Nachegi.
The Ritu Pathak lady, right?
पता दिया अभी याद. अच्छा.
मैं उनको समझ नहीं आएगा यार.
Ritu Pathak, yeah, fine, okay. समझ नहीं आएगा. I write about that. And she also has sung the song from that movie. पप्पा जग जाएंगे from Houseful, the hit movie.
पप्पा जग जाएगा.
हाँ. And then I think she also sang वो क्या गाना रज़िया गुंडों में बस गई.
What?
The song.
From
Thank
movie-
you movie.
which
thank
movie?
You. Thank you movie.
Oh God.
Well,
oh, so
there's
she
a-
sang a lot of item songs.
Yeah, she has, but not as much as what you would expect her to sing, right?
Yeah.
It's a person of that caliber. She's pretty good. In fact, unka to, I think after 2014, I have not heard. I think there was one movie of in 2015. After that, I've not heard any of her songs actually. But we have a call of 80. Can we go to them, please?
Let's go. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के.
Who sang it Wednesday, me? Who's this? Hello.
हाय पैम पैम.
अरे very good. हाँ बताइए सर. नहीं मैंने बताया ना. People are learning today, sir. Not everybody will know the answers.
Only our darling
Yeah.
bandus will know.
Yeah. People who are true music lovers will know.
Yeah.
अभी मैं इंतजार कर रहा था कि म्यूजिक लवर्स का फोन आएगा आएगा आएगा
सर
आएगा।
नहीं, आपका आ गया ना, बस काफी है हमारे लिए.
हाँ, exactly. Yeah.
No, well, actually, I gave out the name anyways. तो आप बताओ कोई ऐसा
Oh, you
गाना-
did?
Yeah. क्या नाम बताओ?
आप ही बता दो.
मतलब जब भी मैं उस पे था कॉल पे तो यू जस्ट गिव नथिंग। हाँ
हाँ?
हाँ? क्या बोला आपने?
जैसे जब मैं फोन पे था तो आई कैंट हियर यू राइट।
करेक्ट हाँ नहीं नहीं हाँ
दे दिया उसके पहले
नहीं
दिया
पर
था।
डजंट मैटर. अभी आप बोलो ना कौन था सिंगर.
ये जो राधा नाट्य की वाज राइट
वेरी गुड.
ऋतु पाठक।
Ritu Pathak.
मैंने
Very good.
answer
Right.
किया।
Did you know that or did you Google it? Tell me honestly.
I did not know that, but I know the other song she sung long time back.
Which one? कौन सा गाना?
Jalebi Bhai.
हाँ, exactly. 2011 का.
So that
Jalebi
was
Bhai.
like so many, like 2002,
11.
2003, sometime
No,
like
no.
that time, right?
No, Jalebi Bhai came in 2010, 2011. That was a movie. Was that? अरे यार वो Sanjay Dutt and Dhamal film, right?
हाँ.
That was the first movie. Of
कब
Dhamal.
आया था?
धमाल।
2011 में आया था।
Something in that time,
2011
right?
में।
Yeah.
It was before she.
I
you
mean,
had
yeah,
that-
I mean 10
Yeah.
साल 10
It was
11
before I
साल
met
पहले
her.
आया।
It was before he met her. It was 2009 क्योंकि 2010 में आलतू मिला.
नहीं नहीं
उससे.
2011 में मिला था मैंने.
नहीं 2010.
Are you sure? Because
Yes.
that time something it came. Because I remember I actually talked about sticky and hot and sticky kind of thing. something.
Yeah, where
She was laughing
Yeah.
of course.
yeah, Malika Sherawat. Yeah, of course. How can I forget?
Mallika Sherawat, I think we met in 2011.
Yeah, she's right.
2010 में.
2010. I'm telling you.
2011 में.
Correct.
Ah, you're right. 2011. Yes, we were on Radio
11.
Thirties was launched.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We were in the
Yeah,
mode of
I was
promotion,
also
was
there.
ready. We went to
Yeah.
promotion, red to red. I
With
remember.
your Tika Vika and all that.
Hey,
Yes,
I look
yes.
like a typical
and
Bhojpuri hero.
Bappi Lahiri also. Bappi Lahiri भी था.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, I was thinking about, I'm nowadays very fascinated by Bhojpuri. We should actually talk about Bhojpuri industry also, by the way.
Yeah.
But anyway, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
आपने सही से पहचाना. आज आपका बारी है. You're like it's your time today. हम लोग recognize कर देंगे आपको कि आप तो हमारे बे एरिया के म्यूजिक लवर हो. और कोई नहीं आपके पास नहीं आ सकता, right? Thank you so much, sir. सुनते
Thank
रहेगा
you so
सर.
much for calling in.
अच्छा
Thank you
बहुत
so
हो गया
much.
फादर ने हम लोग लेडीज के ऊपर फोकस करके
हाँ.
लेट्स फोकस ऑन सम ऑफ द मेल सिंगर्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्री. कोई है तेरे को तेरे जहन में फादर ने who you think actually have not gotten the kind of push people like Arjit Singh and all have got? Because I personally think there are tons of better singers than Arjit Singh.
Right.
Tons of them.
Tons
and tons
one,
of them.
not two, not three, not so many ones.
हाँ एक तो बोल देता हूँ ताकि हम लोग गाना लगाने पे ना जाए. But I'm talking about Benny Dayal, one of my favorites of mine.
Yeah.
He is awesome and you've heard him in multiple songs. But he doesn't get the push what Arjit Singh gets because he's not backed by
Exactly.
the music police or the mafia
Exactly.
or the cliques.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
But how about you presenting something, Fatwani, where you think one of them actually, Bandus could actually recognize? It should be equally famous song, right?
Oh,
Gaane
famous
Jaane Mane?
song.
It'd be nice anyways if it were that way.
But you already talked about Benny Dayal.
Yeah, so
No.
don't play Benny Dayal, play something else.
Well,
Well, you can still play Benny Dayal if you want it. Nobody's stopping you.
I'm gonna play you a song, Manajan.
Yes, please.
Which you guys should listen to.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very nice song from the movie Jagga Jasoos. Okay, it's seldom played, and I think we're the only ones who actually play these beautiful songs. Yes, I will take complete credit for it because nobody, and there are a gazillion radio stations, and nobody plays these songs.
Yeah.
Even other programmers don't know because uske liye parak hona chahiye. So this particular song that we're gonna play, Panjan, is the credits are given to a different person, but the actual singer is a different person, the main voice in the song. And I hope I got the right version of it. So here you go. बताइएगा ये कौन है? Mostly आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. He has also sung a beautiful song. If you've seen the movie Katti Batti, he sung a lot of wonderful songs. I used to think he's a new entrant into the industry. He's not. He's like almost Shankar Sir's contemporary.
Yeah,
Shankar Mahadevan's contemporary. And he's part of a band called Agni, an amazing, this particular singer. He had sung in Katti Batti a song called Ove Janiya. And he's a person who has sung this particular song as well, Banjan. I've given you a lot of clues. You
Yeah,
got to
he's a
Google
wonderful
karo.
voice, though.
It's worth googling and listening to these people's voices.
And you should see, he actually has done a few Coke Studio versions also. You got to go listen to it. Very nice.
Very nice singing, Banjan.
Yeah.
So here you go. Call us and let us know who is this particular singer.
मेरा गांव झुमरी तलैया है तेरा गांव शायद टिम्बकपू
See, this is the problem, Banjan. I'll tell you something. Stop it, Altu Baba.
Father, I like it. Please play this one. I know.
Well, I'll tell you,
This
this
guy
is the
don't-
problem. Unfortunately, the original singers' versions don't show up in your, the original singer. Okay, play his original. I'm gonna play another song. I'm gonna play Ove Jania of his.
Okay, Father, please come in what you're talking about. But then, kya like, this is something what Father is talking about. When you actually go and you try to find the songs sung by the original singers, right?
Yeah.
Who have sung for the track.
Yeah.
उनका नहीं आएगा, लेकिन जो actually जिनका release होता है with these so-called music labels like T-Series or Z Cinema, they'll make sure their singers sing one version of the same song
Yeah.
and promote their song. Well, ये भी देखो Faltani, even the version which I have with me is the same thing.
Okay, I'm gonna play you the original of in which it's just his voice and nobody else's. So suniega, a beautiful song from the movie Katti Batti.
होवे जानिया जी दे जानिया जिंदड़ी दे जानिया होवे जानिया जी दे जानिया जिंदड़ी दे जानिया होवे जानिया इश्क को जीने मरने के तराजू में ना तोल रे इश्क करे जो वो ही जाने क्या है इसका मोल रे इश्क बड़ा तू इश्क बढ़ाया तू जब दिल ने रब से पूछा तेरी अखियों से दिया जवाब इश्क दा रुतबा हो सबसे ऊंचा होवे जानिया जी दे जानिया जिंदड़ी दे जानिया होवे जानिया होवे जानिया जी दे जानिया जिंदड़ी दे जान
Well, but if you haven't seen this movie, this is another nice movie, and in which Kangana Ranaut is actually acted opposite Imran Khan.
Yeah.
Match seems not thing, but actually they both acted well to bridge that gap between the two of them.
Yeah.
It was nice. In
Yeah.
fact, there I think I liked Kangana Ranaut's acting for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit in some areas she's too loud, and that was actually a learning curve for her, I suppose. But singer की बात करें आज who sung it?
Yeah.
आप पहचान the beautiful voice and इनके काफी सारे ऐसे गाने भी हैं. And right, Father, I think that's what I said. It's not about nepotism. I think it's about bullying. It's about clique formation.
Right.
And that's what they're doing. And sometimes they say, oh, capitalist market में सब होता है.
हाँ,
And yeah, होता है, but you know, होना चाहिए क्या is the
हाँ,
question.
exactly.
Doesn't have to be, is what I'm saying.
Right.
So of course, yeah, you can call us Baki, you can call us Rebel in the spring. I would say definitely anybody and everybody should have the opportunity to do whatever they can.
Right.
Right, and yes, it's up to us, and that's why in a good thing, you know what, Valmani, the advent of our social media is really helpful, and these singers are becoming famous right now. And we hope today you guys go Google the singers of these and you listen to their channel. Each of them have their own channel, by the way.
Right.
It's very nice they've done that thing, and that's a good thing which even Facebook did in terms of giving the opportunity for singers like this to make money on their platform.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they can sing and they can actually open up. They can get paid for it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So, but of course, it has to be their own creation. There are people that way, anyways.
Right.
तो अगर आपने अभी तक पहचाना नहीं कि कौन है singer, you want to play a song some more or what do you want to do?
There is another song also. He's sung some songs which are beautiful songs, Madhujan. In fact, in the movie, कौन सा movie है वो? Queen में ना? I think he has sung a song in Queen. It's a beautiful song. Amit Trivedi का music direction है. It's a song called Kinare. I don't know how many of you remember that, but you know, obviously everybody remembers London to Makeda.
Well, thank you so much, people on Facebook. In fact, Vishaji's I posted things. Just googled it and he found out that many of his songs are actually sung even by Arjit Singh. It's exactly what happens when they make the first scratch. They make this guy sing, and this happens even very popular singers also, right?
Yeah, in fact, if you watch that Sonu Nigam live cast or whatever he calls that, I think he calls it face video or something like that. He
Something he
calls
calls
it
it.
something weird.
Well, anyway, good. So the thing is, I'm very happy that Bandhu's actually even googling and now learning about it, right?
Right.
So, in keeping interest of time, Faltani, let's give the name of the person
Okay.
who sang the song. Ove Jania, people might not know the song. The movie did not do very well because Imran Khan starring in the movie, I suppose.
What? Yeah, the movie didn't do very well, of course, but poor thing, both of them have acted really, really well.
That's true. Let's go to Bandhu waiting line. Namaskar, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है Wednesday वाला. Who sung it me? Who's this? Hello.
हाय पैम पैम
अरे
मीनाक्षी here.
मीनाक्षी जी कैसे हैं आप?
एकदम बढ़िया आप बताइए.
कैसा लगा आपको? How was his voice? Was it nice or not?
Oh really nice.
I know, pretty much the
Yeah,
way.
I'm feeling so sorry about myself कि नहीं पता है singers के name, but we are true music lovers.
I know.
Because we are listening the words best radio station.
Oh, so sweet of
Ah,
you.
so sweet. Mwah.
No,
Thank you.
And only that's why I called you.
Oh, so sweet.
Yeah.
The answer नहीं पता है.
नहीं, I was just
But
trying to.
this theme is really enlightening.
Yeah.
और हम आगे जाके for sure Google करके उन लोगों को सुनने वाले.
Well, no, you see, क्या है ना कि actually क्या होता है कि there are people who like to sing, who like to listen to sing, and there's some people who like to sing and listen as well, right?
Yeah.
So, and then what
Yeah.
happens when you do it in a certain way, when you actually it rewards you back, the whole process rewards you back. So,
Yeah.
if I were to go listen to what's the Dikshak Pooja's song, I will give up on totally, right?
Yeah.
And life itself give up sometimes.
Yeah,
But
seriously.
if I
oh
listen to a
God.
good song like Mohan Karan, and if you go listen seriously, your soul elates automatically because
Yeah.
he sings very well, and these people sing with their heart also, suppose.
Yeah.
Not in their throat, just their gala or whatever it is, right?
And the other thing is also, you know, our Mahima ji used to always say that एक artist को कदरदान चाहिए. That's all they look for.
Yes.
They're not. I mean, money is yes a key factor, but for a person. For especially for any artist, कदरदान चाहिए. So this
Money is not a big factor. Huh?
It is a
I'm a
fact.
big artist.
ए नाटक कंपनी.
What? I don't
मैं
get
थोड़ा
money.
serious बात कर
Oh,
रही हूँ
sorry.
यार.
Continue.
तो I don't know. You know what? I don't know if you guys are aware. क्या करते हैं कि एक ट्रैक होता है जैसे हमने वो गाना लगाया मेरा गाँव झूम गई तलैया है. In the movie, they've used Mohan Kannan's version of the song. But
Okay.
for Facebook videos and for whatever, right? Like for YouTube and everything, they use an Arijit Singh version.
Yeah.
Wow.
Same thing for आपने वो मूवी देखी है डियर जिंदगी.
हाँ.
उसमें दो गाने हैं जो अली जफर साहब ने गाए हैं मूवी में कि what is it? तारीफों से नहीं वो मानने वाली. That particular song, right?
Yeah,
If
yeah,
you
yeah.
go look it up on YouTube, you'll find only Arijit Singh versions.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Why?
But-
Because Arijit is a T-series artist.
Correct. But actually, in the movie, if Karan Johar done that way is a good thing. Karan
Yeah.
Johar in the movie he used Ali Zafar's voice.
Yeah, he used Ali Zafar's voice.
मतलब मूवी में जो गाना आता है ना जो आप स्क्रीन पे देखते हो
Yeah.
उसमें अली जफर का गाना है लेकिन ऑडियो रिलीजेस में इट ओनली इज अरिजीत सिंह वॉइस
It's
Yeah,
Arijit.
that's what Sonu Nigam was talking about.
करेक्ट सो
Exactly.
नाउ
उनके अपने सिंगर्स हैं, वो उन्हें ही प्रमोट करने वाले हैं,
हाँ.
जिनके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हैं, अदरवाइज वो किसी और सिंगर को प्रमोट नहीं करेंगे. तो मूवी में आप देख सकते हैं, बट डे टू डे अगर मूवी के बाद अगर हमें कोई गाना स्ट्रीमिंग करनी है तो यूट्यूब पर जाएंगे या
बिल्कुल.
इधर उधर सुनेंगे तो वो अरिजीत का वॉइस में मिलेगा.
Right.
करेक्ट
हम भी
एग्जैक्टली
धोखा खा जाएंगे कि शायद अरिजीत ने गाया होगा.
So definitely go check out if you today we're going to extend our Pam Pam show a little bit more today. You can actually listen to it for a longer time. We're going to go probably until 8 p.m. if possible.
Yeah.
We'll have a bunch of songs, singers you can actually feature. In fact, we have been talking about this ever since we started off. Mahimaji's intent was to make sure everybody gets an opportunity, and that's what our Media Mahima stands for.
In fact, the whole reason why she started Mahima ke Anmol Nagme was it was initially just called Anmol Nagme. After she passed on, we kept it as Mahima ke Anmol Nagme. The reason she did that was आप उस ज़माने में भी देखो आपको जब यस्टरयर्स के सिंगर्स के बारे में बात करते हैं हम लोग सिर्फ मोहम्मद रफ़ी मुकेश मुकेश भी इतना नहीं किशोर लता आशा इन लोगों के बारे में बात करते हैं कितने लोग तलत महमूद के बारे में बात करते हैं कितने लोग
And seriously, people know the name Mannada, but do they know what songs Mannada sang?
Yeah, and how many people know Suman Kalyanpur or Hemlata
But do they know the songs
तो
they
मुझे
sang?
गीत गाता चलते ही पता चला था सुमन कल्याणपुर.
हाँ, and
अदरवाइज मैं तो यही सोचे बैठी थी कि वो गाना लता मंगेशकर ने गाया होगा.
Exactly. So this is what, in fact, Suman Kalyanpur ke over Mahima ji ne actually, before, when she was alive, she made around 4 episodes on her.
Right.
And every song I was like, what? I never heard. I thought you easily will think it's Lata Mangeshkar, or it's like a
Yeah.
blend of both the voices actually.
In fact, the politics of music. Unfortunately, it's entertainment industry में भी इतनी सारी politics है and power monging होता है. आजकल तो और भी गंद मच गया है वहाँ पे.
Yeah.
It really broke my heart when I was listening to how Sonu Nigam, he talks about it very dispassionately. But for me, when I was thinking about it in light of Sushant Singh Rajput's death, right? He was talking about how एक artist को, and he says it very casually, many people it may not even register. He says एक artist को बार बार बुलाओगे, एक बार नहीं, 2 बार नहीं, 9 अलग अलग गानों के लिए उसको सेशन में बुलाते हो, गवाते हो उससे, और फाइनली कोई और गायक का चुन लेते हो. मतलब you have another person sing it. उस गायक का या that artist का self esteem के बारे में सोचो, उसको क्या होता है. कि अगर बंदा गा रहा है, he says मेरे बारे में छोड़ो, मुझे भी लगता है धक्का, but he says forget about me, I luckily came into the industry before all this happened.
Yeah.
Correct. So, but right now, what we are talking is not about what Sonu Nigam talked about, because Sonu Nigam was one of the, I would say, catalyst for us to bring this show today.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for calling in today and telling us that you're actually enjoying the show. And we have more such singers coming up right now.
Yeah.
Sunte rahega.
Yeah.
And yes, if you have somebody coming up in your mind, say, "Hey, yaar, ye inka to, I know the singer, but I don't hear them advertised much. Why?" You can always give us a call here.
Yeah,
Sure,
please.
sure.
Thank
you for such lovely show.
Thank you, Meenakshi ji. It really means a lot that you pick up the phone and you call us and you share this, because हमें आपका feedback नहीं मिलेगा तो हमें कैसे लगेगा?
हमें कैसे लगेगा?
मतलब हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि आप enjoy कर रहे हो कि नहीं?
हाँ, तो yes.
So we would love to hear from. I'm just saying this because many of our bandhus are watching us on Facebook. We would love to hear from you what your thoughts are.
Yeah.
अगर आपके जहन में कोई ऐसा आर्टिस्ट है जिसको ड्यू लाइमलाइट नहीं मिला है, आप भी कॉल करके बता सकते हैं यहाँ पे. And we're trying to keep it limited to Bollywood because all over the world we have artists like that.
Correct.
But definitely आप बता सकते हो. Thank you so much for calling in, Meenakshi ji. Have a beautiful, fantastic evening.
You as well. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
अगला singer, Fatwani, you have one more singer for us? मेरे पास है.
लगाओ.
Okay. तो हमने बता दिया कि ये मोहन कन्नन साहब थे, right? Very good singer, and like how Fatwani said, he's been here for quite some time, and I don't know, do we still call people who've been here for a long period of time as strugglers? If that's the case, I still am a struggler here.
Yeah.
So here's the thing, now I'm gonna play another song for you guys. A very popular song.
Yeah.
इतना popular song है कि I think the movie became a hit partially because of the emotion in the song itself,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
And the singer is also one of the singers who probably had a little bit of support in the initial part of it, but later on is totally, out of the equation.
Yeah, he's still one of those. I mean, one of our favorite singers, Manajan. One of our really, really favorite singers. because his voice, the way his he's very talented also. In fact, Shankar sir and him can almost be considered on par. Shankar sir, even Hariharan sir, but Hariharan sir's voice tonality is completely different. But this particular person who sings, he sings all these soul stirring songs, right, Altu?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're gonna play you this song, and I know that there are bhaks of this particular singer also.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there are some people who love this singer.
Okay.
I know in our bandhutva, there are some bandhus who really, really love the singer.
All right. So
Let's
here
see
you
if
go.
they can recognize it, right?
Yeah. So call करो 408-912-2479 पे बताइएगा कि ये सिंगर कौन है. 408-912-2479. आज की शो पे you'll not able to hear people like Sonu Nigam, but or for the matter even people like Mohit Chauhan, but you definitely listen to the people like this singer. कॉल कीजिएगा 408-912-2479. कौसर मुनीक लिरिक्स है यहाँ पे बजाम प्रीतम का कॉम्पोजिशन.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला. आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला. तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल. तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल. हाँ, मुश्किल सही आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल. रूठ जाना तेरा, मान जाना मेरा, ढूंढते तेरी हंसी मिल गई खुशी. राह हूँ मैं तेरी, रूह है तू मेरी, ढूंढते तेरे निशान मिल गई खुदी. तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल. तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल. हाँ, मुश्किल सही आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल.
आपका पहचान बस आपसे एक ही सवाल है, क्या आपने पहचाना? और अदरवाइज अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं कि हु संग इट. वेडनेसडे में आपका स्वागत है. हुज दिस? हेलो, हाय.
Pam Pam.
पैम पैम.
मैं आ गई.
ओहो.
लो आ गई उनकी याद, मैं चली आई.
हाय, हाय, हाय,
थोड़ी
हाय.
देर से ही.
अरे देर लगी लेकिन आप आ गए. वेरी गुड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
देर आए दुरुस्त आए.
तंदुरुस्त आए वो इम्पोर्टेंट है.
नहीं तंदुरुस्त.
Of course, you know, coughing and not sneezing, that's good, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very important. अच्छा, by the way, दीपा जी, very good. आज आपका कॉल आना ही था because today we said very clearly.
Yeah.
आज का शो पे only music lovers
Yes.
who love music are gonna call, and I knew you'll gonna call. मुझे यकीन था आप पे
हाँ.
कि आप कॉल
Yes.
करेंगे.
और क्या गाना बजाया. It's my one of my favorite songs
है ना?
of KK.
Yes,
Yes, it's
KK.
my one of the favorite songs of KK.
Let's see how
And
much
he's
you know.
a very good. Yeah.
Let me
the
ask-
singer is KK.
Let me ask you, what is his full name?
नहीं पता है मुझे KK. He is popularly known as KK only.
But what is his full name? You will know the last name of Hrithik Roshan, but not KK's, huh? Full name. Poor thing.
अरे वो के नाम से ही जाना जाता है बाबा, अभी मैंने आंसर दे दिया।
ओ तो वाह सही में क्या जबरदस्ती है यार। अच्छा फाइन ठीक है चलो ओके फाइन टेल दैट यू डोंट नो राइट फाइन आई अंडरस्टैंड ओके
एक और गाना बताओ केके का।
आई डू नो।
वन मोर सॉन्ग बताओ।
वन मोर सॉन्ग ऑफ केके।
एक और सॉन्ग मुझे पसंद है, आप लोगों को पसंद नहीं है, बट स्टिल आई विल से तड़प तड़प।
Who said we don't
Who
like
said we
this?
don't like
Oh
it?
my god, how judgmental you are, yaar.
No, we never said it.
I think that's the only song which made me laugh actually.
What?
No, actually no, it made me cry. दिल चाहता है.
तड़प
Yeah.
तड़प के उस
Yeah,
इस दिल से
तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती
Which song? Hey, you said Salman Khan, right? it made me laugh. Yes, that song made me laugh.
Yeah.
So this song made me laugh because whenever that time whenever Salman Khan used to cry, I used to feel like laughing. I don't know why.
अरे नहीं बाबा, come on.
Yeah,
That song makes me sad whenever I see it.
But I look at whenever I think of a song, I look at his face, how
Yeah.
difficultly he was crying.
Yeah.
He was like that way. Felt like I was
Yeah.
laughing.
I
But
haven't seen it, so I don't know.
Deepa, it's a good pick actually. Very nice song. Yes, we love that song by the way.
Yeah.
See, the only song which
Yeah.
we differ with you is when you pick a song which is got you know who the big
We're
man
not
is.
going to take the name because unnecessary
Not
overrated
we
singer.
love KK but not KS.
Yeah.
What?
Not KS that much.
Well, we're not going to talk about that person.
We're not going to talk about the person because that guy's got a lot of things already to explain.
Yeah.
All right, good. So, Deepa, thank you so much for calling. We are having extended version of Pam Pam. So you can listen to us for one more hour, okay?
And call us back also, Deepa, if you have any other person
Okay,
that
hold
you
on.
think.
We have one Bandhu waiting to say they want to get online with Deepa.
Oh, really?
Hello, नमस्कार
अच्छा,
आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Who's this? Pam Pam में. Hello.
Pam Pam.
हाँ, विशाल जी कैसे हैं आप?
हे
आपकी
भगवान। ओके।
आपकी फरियाद हमने सुन ली.
दीपा सही टाइम पे पकड़ा।
हाँ? क्या? फोन. ऐसा बोलो, क्लियरली बोलो वरना प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा.
तू क्या क्या बात करता है?
हाँ, फोन की बात करें ना वो. क्या सोच रहे?
पकड़ा ना, फोन पे ही।
Exactly.
हाँ.
तो हाँ बताइए विशाल जी क्या?
अच्छा, आप विशाल जी अपनी विशेष टिप्पणी दीजिए, कुछ बोलना है मुझे? हाँ बोलना था, बहुत देर से।
हाँ बोलिए विशाल जी.
मैं बोल तो रहा हूँ, बहुत देर कर दी दीपा आने में।
हाँ तो ऑलरेडी आपने फेसबुक बोल दिया उसको.
ऑलरेडी आपने कमेंट भी दे दिया उसके ऊपर से।
आपको मालूम है
लाइक बोलना करो।
लेकिन विशाल जी देखो सुनो दीपा को केके का पूरा नाम मालूम नहीं है.
हाँ, किसी का पूरा नाम नहीं मालूम दीपा।
नहीं मालूम है इसको.
अयो रघुनाथ।
राघवेंद्र.
राघवेंद्र रघुनाथ.
Raghunath also works actually, yeah.
Yeah.
अयो राघवेंद्र।
हाँ.
उसके नाम में 2 के नहीं है दीपा, 3 के है।
Actually-
के है।
हाँ,
अच्छा
actually.
अच्छा आप करेक्ट कर दो ना अभी।
बोल दो ना.
टू थर्ड बोल दिया, आप एक और बोल दो।
हाँ बोल दो. हाँ
कृष्ण कुमार कुन्नत।
हाँ. Krishna Kumar is one word by the way, not two
Krishna
words.
Kumar, yeah.
Yeah.
हाँ, it's one word, कृष्ण
हाँ.
कुमार कुन्नत।
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And देखो
So I was
अभी
reading, as I said, I was reading about him this
हाँ.
morning because I was searching for English songs.
English,
correct.
yes, I know,
So,
yes. देखो
That's
लेकिन
why
good.
I like.
अंशु बाबा, अभी आपने पूछा ना कि do you know anyone more singer like
Yeah,
that?
please.
I do know one more singer.
हाँ बोलिए.
उनका गाना बताओ.
हाँ गाना भी पता है मुझे
हाँ,
क्योंकि I remember having this exact discussion with my dad
हाँ.
because all my knowledge of like old singers is from my dad. तो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, तो जब भी वो गाना सुनते थे तो मैं बोलती थी ये कितनी सुंदर, कौन है ये सिंगर. As usual like Suman Kalyanpuri, we always get confused with old singers only Lata Mangeshkar ना.
Correct,
Right.
तो मैंने उनको पूछा तो मेरे पापा ने बोला नहीं ये इसका नाम है शारदा. She didn't
हाँ
get
शारदा,
much,
yes.
Correct.
yeah, the song was चले ये जाना जरा ठहरो
Yeah.
किसी का दम निकलता है ये मंजर देख कर जाना. I think it's a Raj Kapoor movie. I don't remember the name of the movie.
Yeah.
Very nice song.
That's very true.
It's a sweet song.
Yes,
yeah.
अनमोल लग में
It's,
अगर आप
I think her voice was little like what I can say
Childish.
compared to
No, it was more. It
But,
was more a kiddish kind of a voice, as in a little bit of a thing. In fact,
yes.
if you had listened to Anmol Lagme when Mahima was doing it,
Yeah.
she actually covered her section also because one of the lesser known Anmol Ratan of our industry.
In fact,
Very good.
she had beautiful songs. There's a song "Dekh Mera Dil Mein
Yes.
Chal Gaya."
And the Shada version, one of the early episodes was actually she covered Shada for sure.
Yeah.
But very good.
Oh,
So thank you
okay,
so much for sharing that with us, Deepa and Vishalji. Thank you so much for calling. Suniyega, we have more things coming up right now.
Yeah.
Sure, if
Okay.
you आप प्ले करेंगे कोई तो
हाँ हाँ
अच्छा
हम
रहेगा।
लोग 8 बजे तक हम लोग रहेंगे and we'll try to play Shada song for sure. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
अच्छा जी।
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for calling in. And of course, was that Gopal in the background?
No, that was me. My voice. That awesome voice was me.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay. That was. I was
Yeah,
like,
they fucked
wow.
up.
who's
Oh,
that?
somebody turned it on actually.
Yeah.
Okay, how about the next one?
Okay, so this particular singer
Yeah.
that I have now, Altu.
Let's go to a male singer again, right?
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
we'll go to this particular singer. I love his voice.
Uh huh.
I love all his songs, in fact.
Very good.
And he's one of those people, like, they say when you come under a banyan tree, other plants cannot grow
My
because
God.
it doesn't get the sunlight that it's supposed to get.
Huh?
This is my take. It's just my take. Okay.
Oh my God!
Please
so
don't
you're
get me
saying
wrong.
that we should be called as banyan wood
Not
as opposed
us,
to Bollywood.
man.
No, I'm talking about the industry. Indian
Not
industry.
us. Not us. I'm talking
Indian industry should be called as banyan wood instead
Yeah.
of Bollywood, right?
about. Yeah.
Because banyan wood, every branch has its own tree creating afterwards.
This person is one of A.R. Rahman's favorites.
So he's
And-
under a banyan tree, you're saying?
In fact, when A.R. sir performs, especially his Sufi style, he brings this person along with him.
Very good.
So, who is this person that we're talking about? सुनिएगा और हमें बताइएगा. बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना है अनुजन. And call in 408-912-2479.
अर्जियां सारी मैं चेहरे पे लिख के लाया हूँ तुमसे क्या मांगूं मैं तुम खुद ही समझ लो मौला मौला मेरे मौला 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 मेरे मौला 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 मेरे मौला सबको झूमता नजर आया, जो भी तेरे दर आया, झुकने जो सर आया, मस्तियाँ पिए सबको झूमता नजर आया। ओ एक खुशबू आती थी, ओ एक खुशबू आती थी, मैं भटकता जाता था, रेशमी सी माया थी, और मैं तकता जाता था, जब तेरी गली आया, सच कभी नजर आया, जब तेरी गली आया, सच कभी नजर आया, मुझ में ही वो खुशबू थी, जिससे तूने मिलवाया। मौला 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 मेरे मौला मौला।
A beautiful song, but then start dialing in. Let us know who it is. एक तो हेल्प कर दूंगा, जिसमें दो गाने सिंगर्स हैं, 2 से ज़्यादा सिंगर्स भी हो सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स ए आर रहमान्स कॉम्पोजिशन, इट्स टेकन। एंड इस गाने में ऑफ कोर्स भजन एक आवाज़ आप पहचान लोगे, क्योंकि उन्होंने ही इज बिकम द आवाज़ ऑफ मोदी कैंपेन, कैलाश खेर साहब। खैर उनको छोड़िए, लेकिन वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेक्स्ट सिंगर हु इज विद हिम, अ वेरी नाइस सिंगर। इनका अगर आप कुछ ऐसे गाने हैं जो उन्होंने हाँ सूफी स्टाइल तो उनके आवाज पे सूट होता है। आई थिंक इट I think more than anything else, Sufi style singing will match anybody who sings with a soul, because Sufi का मतलब ही soulful है।
Correct.
Spirituality बोलते हैं, religion से कोई मतलब नहीं रखता नहीं है, but people who sing with their heart, with their, you know, with their, not their throat.
Yeah.
Many people sing with their throat actually. That's what
It's from the spirit. रूह से आवाज निकलती है भजन. That is what the specialty, and this particular singer is another singer who touches you with just his singing.
Correct. And आप सुनो, कभी आप आंख बंद करके, when you're not driving, of course, probably you're driving or something like that, don't do that, but you listen to it with just eyes closed, you really will be transformed to different land. अभी ये बताओ, ये कॉल करो अभी हमें 4089122479 4081912247 पे कॉल कीजिएगा।
हाँ, बहुत ही टैलेंटेड सिंगर है ये, एंड एट द सेम टाइम ही इज somebody who many people don't talk about him.
Correct.
I mean,
so, some people might know him. If you know him, give us a call here 4089122479 4081912247। नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है Who Sung It Wednesday on the Pam Pam Show. Who's this? Hello.
पैम पैम।
अरे दिल खुश कर देता आपने कॉल। जब भी आप कॉल करते हैं, I feel very happy and nice.
थैंक यू।
ऐसे और कॉल करते रहिएगा।
आई एम हैप्पी टू कॉल आल्सो।
वेरी गुड। तो बताइए आप, यू एक्चुअली आर अ पर्सन, आई नोटिस दैट जो ट्रू म्यूजिक लवर है, क्योंकि यू फॉलो मोस्ट ऑफ दी सॉन्ग्स, लिसन टू देम आल्सो, करेक्ट? एम आई राइट?
या।
तो बताओ, ये सिंगर आप पहले से जानते थे या आपने पहचाना उनकी आवाज को, क्या था, बताइए।
ये गाना मेरे को पसंद है, तो मैं ये सिंगर को पहचानती थी।
वेरी गुड।
बट लाइक मेरे को दूसरे वाले का नाम मालूम था,
कैलाश खेर। यस, कैलाश खेर तो
कैलाश खेर का।
लेकिन
और अभी मैंने सही बोले तो गूगल किया दूसरे के लिए, जावेद अली के लिए।
एंड there's no that's why I said आज का शो पे even if you go Google, it means we our 50% of our work, no, 100% of our work is done, because we wanted you guys to go Google them and learn about them, because ऐसे ही तो उनकी बढ़ती है ना, उनकी फॉलोइंग भी बढ़ती है। It doesn't have to rely upon other media to get them to shine. तो वेरी गुड। तो आप इनकी आवाज सुन के कोई और ऐसा गाना याद आया जो probably you heard his voice in that? जावेद अली का?
या जावेद अली का वो है एक नगाड़ा नगाड़ा।
हाँ, नगाड़ा फ्रॉम
ये वाला उन्होंने इंडियन आइडल में जज से तो गाया था, तो आई रिमेंबर दैट।
हाँ, सोनू के साथ गाया था उन्होंने।
करेक्ट।
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली।
एंड यस, काफी सारे नेम्स भी आ रही है मीनाक्षी जी, थैंक यू सो मच। काफी सारे नेम्स हैं, एंड सूफी, जब व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट सूफी, ऑटोमेटिकली दोस नेम्स ऑटोमेटिकली पॉप अप टू आवर माइंड। करेक्ट। वेरी गुड। सो थैंक यू सो मच जल्दी से कॉल करने के लिए, ऐसे सुनते रहेगा, बिकॉज आई हैव वन मोर सॉन्ग कमिंग अप नाउ व्हिच आई थिंक यू विल डेफिनेटली नो दिस सिंगर्स नेम।
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
अगला गाना जो लगाने वाला हूँ अभी मैं, ठीक है?
ओके।
सुनिएगा। And thank you so much for calling us. And of course, Banjan, अभी अगला गाना सुनिएगा एक और, we'll go to a male singer again.
हाँ.
And ये probably, I think you'll have to Google again. Probably.
Huh?
Probably you'll have to Google it.
Really? Okay.
Not a very famous voice,
Huh.
but definitely a great voice. Has a few songs to credit already, right?
Okay. Who?
This
I
song-
don't know which song you're going to play.
I'm playing a song for a movie called Jagga Jasus, which supposedly had 21 songs in it.
Oh wow! Yes,
There's
yes.
a beautiful
Oh my
song
God.
called Musafir.
मैं मुसाफिर, that one?
हाँ.
Oh my God! It's
सुनो,
an amazing song.
Enjoy
Gunjan.
करो और सोचो कि कौन हो सकता है singer. Okay, he has got a few other songs also, by the way.
He's got a lot of hit songs.
Yes.
Gunjan. बहुत बड़े hit songs हैं इनके.
Correct. Raj Lakhode ji, आप भी call कीजिएगा ना. I think you're getting some good answers out there, and you're posting some interesting, choices for us to pick also. जो
Yeah.
already हमारे line में है already.
And
But-
Deepa, the person that you referred to, is also in our lineup.
Correct,
We have his song also coming up.
Correct. So
yeah.
let's listen to this song. People would not have thought of this particular singer. That's why we are presenting this particular show for you guys.
Yeah.
And let us know whether you can identify who the singer is.
Right.
408912249 है तो बहुत wonderful composer Preetham, the creative genius. I think of him as a creative genius, of course.
And of course, great lyricist hai Amitabh Bhattacharya ji. Hey, you know what? I like him. I love his writing.
That's true. Listen to this and give us a call 40891222479.
मैं मुसाफिर बनूं, रास्ता हो तेरा, मंजिलों से मेरी वास्ता हो तेरा, रोशनी से तेरी हो सवेरा मेरा, तू जहाँ भी रहे हो बसेरा मेरा, यहाँ मेरा तेरे सिवा है दूजा नहीं कोई रे, अकेला मुझे छोड़ के ना जाना यूं निर्मोही रे। हो कहानी मेरी, तर्जुमा हूँ तेरा, हो दुआएं तेरी, सर झुका हो मेरा, राज में भी तेरे, सच छुपा हो मेरा, मैं कमाई जोड़ूं, कर्जदा हो तेरा, यहाँ मेरा तेरे सिवा है दूजा नहीं कोई रे, अकेला मुझे छोड़ के ना जाना यूं निर्मोही रे।
Jana, what a beautiful song, right? Ha! People who actually went and saw the movie got really carried away by the boring face of Katrina Kaif, I suppose.
Che,
Yeah, I think the ostrich looks more better than her.
be quiet, man. It just, you know what, Jan?
It was a good movie, Burjan. Please understand it's a good movie. I'll tell you why it's a good movie, because it's unlike any other movie. And it didn't seem like a long movie. There were a lot of songs inserted into the movie. It was actually woven beautifully into the movie. You didn't even notice that song has come and gone, but actually they've come and gone.
Yeah.
So let's continue the saga. People
Vishal Arora ji gave the answer on Facebook.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे call करो यार. Doesn't matter. We'd love to talk to you.
course.
Call in. And those of you
4089122479. इस सिंगर का एक और गाना है तो बताइए. Call कीजिएगा 4089122479. Should we just give out the singer's name or just go on and wait for people to call?
well, this singer has another couple of really popular songs now. So Baba, you want to tell us what other songs that he has?
Very good, Faltwani. Other songs of this singer. Okay.
Yeah.
So ये singer.
He was also one of those. Was he one of the the reality show winners kind of thing?
I have absolutely no idea, Faltwani.
We don't watch those reality
I don't
shows.
watch television, so I'm sorry, I'm not able to give you on this one. Right?
Seriously, Panjam, we have no subscription to the Indian channels.
Yeah.
There's so much to do here. So,
Yeah.
unfortunately.
Well, the recent movie I heard is one of his songs. There was the filmy version of it,
Huh.
but what we listened to is different version. Filmy version mein, I'm talking about the Chichore.
Huh.
He actually has voiced it.
Wow.
The song Vodin
Huh.
is him.
I think it's multiple people, right? Or is it just him?
Vodin, I think, is only one guy. He reminisces, right?
Yeah.
It's only him.
Yeah.
But in the album which people download, listen to everything, what we have, all those things are from by somebody else.
By yeah. There's
You
a
guys
difference.
know, by now you know what it is, right?
Yeah.
And there also is one more thing, which is a very famous song which we love. He's actually one of the voices in that song. Nach Meri Jaan.
Tushar Joshi?
Nach Meri Jaan. Yeah, देखो फाल्तनी very good. तूने बोल दिया तो बोल दिया बस खत्म हो
Oh,
गया.
sorry, Panjam, मैं बोल दिया.
Well, that's okay,
बोल
Fatwan.
देते हैं. It's fine. It's fine.
Tushar Joshi. People would not have got it, but of course, Vishal ji actually got it. I think he already knew it from the beginning, right, Vishal ji?
Yeah, he posted as soon as the song
Yeah,
started.
probably he knew it from the beginning itself.
Yeah.
That way, because he's an ardent music lover, yaar. Come on,
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
So how about we go to the next singer, Fatwani? We still have some time to play some of the singers. As you told, Bananja, this is extended version of the Pam Pam show.
Huh.
And aaj hum log we're going all the way till 8 p.m. It's a totally an online thing, so definitely share with all your bandhus around the world to actually start tuning in right now. This particular thing, you can start a watch party if you wanted.
Yeah.
And wherever group you're going to work with, and get some people to start tuning in over here.
Right.
It's going live, of course. You're listening to us right now on Radio D Hotties. If you're watching us on some kind of watch party right now where it is in a certain community, you can like our page, facebook.com/Radio D Hotties. So you get updates when we go live and everything, Banujan.
Right.
We have an app you can download. You can listen to us anywhere in the world. In fact, we're going live right now, so anywhere in the world we are live. So agar kahin pe it actually is 4 o'clock in the morning, we actually are live at 4 o'clock in the morning over there.
Correct,
Yeah?
correct.
We cross borders for sure. And as long as you have internet connection, you're able to download an app on iOS and Android. It's available for free. It's called Radio De Hotties. RADIO DEHOTTIES is the app name, right?
Right.
तो आज का सागा था और आज का थीम था Who Sung It Wednesday. And so you guys can give us a call here and actually see if you can identify the song singers, right?
Right.
Songs तो कभी-कभार पहचाने होते हैं. तो we also call this thing called as गाने जाने माने, लेकिन गाने वाले को कौन जाने, right?
जाने वाले को कौन पहचाने?
पहचाने.
हाँ.
आप पहचाना छोड़, people don't even know who sang it.
Well, the thing is, I think हम लोग इतना for granted ले लेते हैं कि I mean, बहुत सारे लोग सोचते भी नहीं है कि इसके अल्फाज कितने beautiful हैं, किसने लिखा है इसको, या music इसका flow. I mean, कभी-कभार आजकल you do look at the composers, right?
Yeah, but I think there also is an argument which says that why should you even care about those things? अरे क्यों उसके बारे में सोचे, गाना आया अच्छा है तो हाँ मजा लिया बस.
हाँ.
But I think it's more about appreciating a song in its entirety.
Correct.
That's when you enjoy it. So there's one very interesting thing I talked about a couple of weeks ago, Fatwani.
Huh.
The Japanese style of eating food.
Huh.
Every morsel you eat, you got to say arigato.
Really?
Yeah, every time you eat something, sushi rolls होती है ना?
Huh.
And I believe the Japanese have a system when they eat, before they eat, put the morsel into the mouth, they say arigato and they eat it.
Really?
Yes. The reason being, you're saying thank you. Appreciating every single bit on the plate. Yeah, it actually helps with digestion. Similarly, when you listen to music, if you say, nice, what a nice thing. Thank you so much, Tushar Joshi, for giving me the song. You're
Yeah.
singing the song in a beautiful way.
Yeah.
You obviously absorb the song in a very nice way, I suppose. Oh my God, Father, you got me totally into a sentimental mode right now. Let's continue further. Why don't you sing? Why don't you not sing? Yeah, you can sing if you wanted, Father. Do you want to sing?
No.
Come on, you can sing if you wanted.
Kya?
We're gonna play a song right
I want
now.
to play a song.
Listen to the song and tell us who sung it.
This is Googly.
Yeah.
Here you go. 408-912-2479 is the number to call in, Banajan.
गाना जाना पहचाना है, लेकिन क्या आपने गाने वाले को पहचाना है? 408-912-2479.
कैसे मुझे तुम मिल गई, किस्मत पे आई ना यकीन, उतर आई झील में जैसे चांद उतरता है कभी हौले हौले तेरे से। गुनगुनी धूप की तरह से तरंगों में तुम छूके मुझे गुजरी हो यूं, देखो तुम्हें या मैं सुनूं, तुम हो सुकून, तुम हो जुनून, क्यों पहले ना आई तुम, कैसे मुझे तुम मिल गई, किस्मत पे आए ना यकीन।
उस दिन मैंने कसम खाई, जब तक मैं 3 एम्बेसडर का
Oh my God, Ambassador Khan. I don't know how she became a heroine.
Yeah.
But anyway, she became a heroine and she right time she exited from the industry actually. Right?
Yeah.
कार फिर ले लेंगे।
मैं तो ये सोचता था कि आजकल ऊपर वाले को फुर्सत नहीं, फिर भी तुम्हें बना के लो मेरी नजर में चढ़ गया, रुत पे वो और बढ़ गया।
Actually, by the way, I've seen one thing about A.R. Rahman, right?
Yeah.
His songs generally, after a certain time,
Yeah.
he changes the pitch in the song itself. Have you noticed it?
What do you mean?
Many times he does that. एक pitch चलता रहेगा, suddenly he'll change the pitch in the song.
Acha.
Yeah, and it challenges the singers even more and more.
Yeah.
But this guy actually is awesome.
Who told us this? Was it I will talk about that person. Somebody told us that he challenges them so much that sometimes you bleed. No, seriously, like you.
I'll come to that part later.
Yeah.
Namaskar, I'm Kanchwa the Pam Pam ke. Who's second Wednesday में? Who's this? Hello.
Pam Pam.
हाँ, ज्योति जी, welcome. हाँ.
Pam, Jyoti ji.
बताओ, दीपक को बताओ कौन है सिंगर?
दीपा कह रही है A.R. Rahman है.
नहीं, बेनी दयाल।
हाँ, बेनी दयाल.
Yes, exactly. It is Benny Dayal.
ये तो मालूम था, ये मालूम था।
आपको कैसे मालूम था? कैसे मालूम था?
मालूम था? Yeah, I watched the movie. I love this song. So
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a wonderful song. Yeah.
Yeah.
And thank you so much. And yes, there was Deepa saying yes. He changes the scale in between. He does. Yeah.
Yeah, he does.
Just to make it interesting, I suppose. But thank you so
Yeah.
much, Jyoti ji. You're calling us 100% right. And Mel Pancho साहब, जब आप हैं यहाँ पे, Jyoti ji बता दूं कि Mel Pancho साहब is actually arguing.
Yeah.
Both of us are right. आप कुछ और बोल रहे हैं, मैं कुछ और बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ giving arrogance, giving thanks. आप बोल रहे हैं जब thanks for receiving. That's okay, fine. फाइन डजंट मैटर, आप जो बोले सही है, चलो। मैं तो ज़्यादा खाता नहीं हूँ, एक ज़माने में खाता था, जब खाने के टाइम पे बोलता था अरे का तो थैंक यू वेरी मच, दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट। एंड थैंक यू ज्योति फॉर कॉलिंग अस। एंड सुंदर एक और है हमारे पास,
आपने सही से बेचारा, कांग्रेचुलेशंस, थैंक यू। हाँ देखो, ट्रू म्यूजिक लवर्स बन जाते।
एग्जैक्टली,
True music lovers, our bandhus who are calling in and who are sharing also.
Yeah.
Seriously, because I don't know. I think you need a certain you have to have discerning taste to be able to enjoy these songs.
Of course.
How many times have you heard these songs played anywhere? For
That's
that matter?
true. I agree with you. And I think some of the songs actually got played.
Yeah.
But like Deepa pointed out, one of our bandhus pointed out on Facebook, generally the music director takes the credit away.
Yeah.
And when I say credit away, payment it goes to the music director only. And even the payment of the royalty goes to the music director itself.
Really?
Yeah, the singers were not getting it. So singers were allowed to actually sing the songs in different shows and make money.
Oh, okay.
Now the new law, thanks to Javed Akhtar Saab, actually makes that, they even that they have to give a portion to the music director,
Right.
the creator of the music. That's
Right.
what in India it's happening right now.
Right. But we are talking about Deepa. That way, if you look at it, even Kailash Kher sang in that Arziyan song.
Yeah.
And Amit
okay.
Trivedi, Annu Malik.
It's okay.
Dummi tara.
It's okay, Deepa. It's fine. Okay, fine. Arigato. Thank you so much for actually,
Yeah, Itadaki Masu.
You're not receiving anything from a man. You say when you're receiving something from somebody.
Yeah, she gave that information. So that's why.
Itadaki Masu was what? Okay, Umilda, you also go happy. Well, anyway, Father, this is today's show is all about who sung it, and we have a few more minutes. We can actually play a few more songs.
Yeah.
Anything else coming to mind, Falwani?
I have one more. Should we go to a female singer?
Let's go to female singer. Yes, do that.
Okay.
And female singer, there was talk about her being picked up by one of the big houses. Didn't happen.
Really?
Yes. We know this because personally, first time we were supposed to bring the singer here.
Yeah.
It so happened that there was transition going on. The contract had to go to them. All those things. Remember the thing which we experienced?
Oh my God.
Openly we tell you guys, but everything is open. Everybody knows about it.
The singer even took an advance and didn't pay us back the money, Banuja.
That's because the house actually was going to take the whole thing actually. So.
Yeah. Well, I don't know about the house and all that
When I
stuff.
say house, let's talk about that particular clique.
Yeah.
Music clique.
We would have brought the singer. We really like her singing, and unfortunately, extremely unprofessional. But you know,
You can't blame them. The managing house is the people who did that thing.
yeah, exactly. So here you go, Banjan. This is a song that the singer has sung, and you got to tell us who's this person. Okay? Should we play this one?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, this is a more recent song. You guys wouldn't have. It's a duet. We're playing both of them. Actually, let them identify both the singers.
Good idea. Let's do that.
There are two singers in this, Panjan, and both of them are seldom talked about, and both of them have amazing songs.
Yeah.
Amazing means amazing
Let
songs.
us do it.
Here you go.
तुझसे बातें करके मुझे लगता है अच्छा है, झूठे बाकी सारे मैं आशिक हूँ सच्चा।
Who was some Baki song?
तुझसे बातें करके मुझे लगता है अच्छा है, झूठे बाकी सारे मैं आशिक हूँ सच्चा। सामने आके सुन ले जो शेर लिखे तुझ पे, नहीं ऐसा वैसा शायर हूँ गालिब का बच्चा। तेरी जो कलाई मेरे हाथ लग जाए, बल्ब मुकद्दरों का मेरे जग जाए, कहने लगे हैं मेरे सपने यही कभी मिल जा तू आके।
मैं मांगू तेरा हाथ, मुझे रहना तेरे साथ, हाँ। रानी मैं तेरी, मेरे दिल का तू ही किंग, तेरे लिए दिल का टेलीफोन है बजता रिंग रिंग रारा रिंग, मेरे दिल का टेलीफोन है बजता रिंग रिंग रारा रिंग, सजना दिल का टेलीफोन है बजता रिंग रिंग रारा रिंग, हो मेरे दिल का टेलीफोन है बजता रिंग रिंग रारा रिंग।
तू मेरी ड्रीम गर्ल बन जा रे, I'm searching for your love, ओ मेरी जान चली ना जाए, I'm searching for your love। तू मेरी ड्रीम गर्ल बन जा रे, I'm searching for your love, ओ मेरी जान चली ना जाए, I'm searching for your love।
And आपको कॉल करना है मधुजान एंड आपको बताना है कि ये सिंगर कौन है। 4089122479 के बहुत 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 पॉपुलर गाने हैं। In fact, she's got some of the biggest hits, and so has the guy who has sung this particular song. So ये कौन है, क्या आप बता सकते हैं? 4089122479 पे आपको कॉल करके बताना है on our radio network कि ये सिंगर्स कौन है। एक बार और स्टूडियो का नंबर नोट कर लीजिएगा, 4089922479।
अच्छा, अभी हमें मैसेज आया कि समथिंग रॉन्ग विद द फेसबुक फीड इज व्हाट दे वर टोल्ड अस। आई होप इट इज क्लियर्ड अप राइट नाउ। तो डेफिनेटली सेंड अस अ मैसेज इफ यू हैव हैविंग ट्रबल डिफिकल्टी लिसनिंग टू अस। इफ यू लिसनिंग टू द ऐप, ऑफ कोर्स ऐप पे हम लाइव जा रहे हैं, एंड अगर आपको फेसबुक पे नहीं सुनाई दे रहा तो कॉल कीजिएगा फॉर श्योर और लेट अस नो 4089122479।
Is it working now? Can you try refreshing, Manajan? It should probably work right now.
Probably. But anyway, continuing further, Faltoni, I'm just thinking, how about we go into the well, okay, इनका ही काफी सारे गाने हैं,
हाँ.
right? इस कॉम्बिनेशन मालूम है, इस कॉम्बिनेशन में दो सिंगर्स हैं, right?
Yeah, दो सिंगर्स हैं, उनके अलग अलग गाने बजाएं क्या, यानी?
Why don't we play different songs with us? How about that? Is it possible to play two different songs with us?
Okay, do you know who the singers are, Deepa? She says she's able to see, so which is awesome.
Thank you so much. But if you know the singers, give us a call here. Who the singers are? And what we will do is we'll try to play songs of the singers separately.
Separately, okay.
How about you're going to play the song of the female singer?
I'm going to play one of the female singers.
And what we also will do is we will try to see if we can later on play a song of the male singer. Taki we can actually bring attention to both the singers, right?
Right.
So here you go, listen to the song and tell us who the singer is, who sung it.
Right.
Here you go. And number यहाँ पे call करने का 4089122479. Thank you so much, people telling us going great on Facebook. Thank you. So here you go. This is a song we're talking about. आप ये बताओ ये singer कौन है? I don't know. It's okay to Google it. That's what we're doing today, right? It's okay to Google and find out and give us a call here. 4089122479.
रंग बदल बदल के क्यों चहक रहे हैं दिन दोपहरिया, मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना क्यों फुदक फुदक के धड़कनों की चल रही गिलहरियाँ, मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना रंग बदल बदल के क्यों चहक रहे हैं दिन दोपहरिया, मैं जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना जानू ना क्यों फुदक फुदक के धड़कनों की चल रही गिलहरियाँ, मैं जानू ना क्यों जरा सा मौसम सरफिरा है या मेरा मूड मस्खरा है जो जायका मनमानियों का है वो कैसा रस भरा है, मैं जानू ना क्यों हजारों गुलमोहर से भर गई है ख्वाहिशों की टहनियाँ, मैं जानू ना क्यों फुदक फुदक के धड़कनों की चल रही गिलहरियाँ, मैं जानू ना
एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैंने जान इतना ही बजाएंगे, आपको कॉल करके बताना है कि ये सिंगर कौन है। देखा उसकी आवाज कितनी स्वीट है।
अरे इसकी आवाज स्वीट है, लेकिन ये बंदे का आवाज एकदम धांसू है यार।
Yeah.
Loves guys song, you know why?
Yeah.
एकदम दिल खोल के गाता है बंदा, right?
अच्छा।
How about I play a nice song of this particular बंदा in the particular song, okay?
Yeah.
ये तो लेडी का वॉइस आपको पहचान के फोन करना पड़ेगा for sure.
हाँ।
लेकिन ये गाना बंदजन फिल्म हिट हो या ना हो, गाना जबरा हिट हो गया, you know why?
या
ये गाने का नाम ही जबरा सॉन्ग है मात्र ने।
समझते नहीं है
यार of course नहीं यार।
नहीं है
रा! दिल खुश कर देता।
फॉलो करूं ट्विटर पे, टैग करूं फेसबुक पे, तेरे क्विज में गूगल को बीट कर दिया। मिरर में तू दिखता है, नींद में तू टिकता है, तेरे मैडनेस ने मुझे ढीठ कर दिया। तू है सोडे की बोतल, मैं बंटा तेरा, मैं तो हैंडल करूं हर घंटा तेरा। मेरे दिल के मोबाइल का तू अनलिमिटेड प्लान हो गया। मैं तेरा हायर जबरा फैन हो गया। मैं तेरा हायर
यार बंदजान जबरा फैन है बंदा। मैं तो उसका जबरा फैन ऑलरेडी बंदजान, लेकिन यस डोंट मेक वाइल्ड गेसेस, गो गूगल राइट नाउ मेक अ टेम्ड गेस।
हो गया। मैंने तुझ पे करी PhD, मेरा लक मेरा हक तू ही ओनली बजा। मैं तो सच्ची हो जाऊं कच्ची, कोई तेरे जो बारे में बोले पूरा तेरा यार है, मुझको बुखार है, जाने सारी कॉलोनी में तेरे लिए इनसेन हो गया। मैं तेरा हायर जबरा फैन हो गया। मैं तेरा हायर जबरा फैन हो गया। और तुझे देखते ही दिल में टन हो गया। मैं तेरा हायर जबरा फैन हो गया। स्टाइल तेरा पट्टे हैं, तुझ पे खेल सकते हैं, तुझसे ही वाईफाई कनेक्शन जुड़ा। तेरे तक जो आती है लाइन सारी काफी है, कोई कितना भी रोके मैं तो ना रुका। तूने जो जो कहा मैंने टिकटॉक किया, कभी जेब में रखा कभी दिल पे लिया। तेरी आंखों की गर्मी में सर से पैर तक टैन हो गया। मैं तेरा
जबरा फैन हो गया, बंदा हायर जबरा फैन हो गया। अरे आपका बचन ये सिंगर जो है ना has some very good songs for it. Like for
Yes.
instance, I'm surprised. Okay, no, let me not be. I'm not surprised at all, because I know people will not remember these singers because their names are not on albums, their names are not on posters, their name is not. Unfortunately, only we talk about it will be there. Unfortunately, right?
हाँ.
But इनके अच्छे अच्छे गाने हैं जो आप पहचानते हो, गानों को पहचानते हो. Like for instance, that song Slow Motion.
हाँ
स्लो मोशन में
हाँ.
सलमान खान।
यस
उनका गाना, उनका आवाज उस गाने में है बड़जन।
यस
And yeah, I think let's give out the answer, because even the female singer
हाँ.
Deepa could not guess it right. Oh my God!
दीपा क्या दीपा seriously?
She put a name which I don't want to talk about right now.
Yeah. Well, it is a singer called Jonita Gandhi.
Correct.
And she's the one who has sung that particular song, Manajan.
Uh-huh.
जो हमने आपके लिए लगाया, she's the one who sung दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया.
Yeah.
That's Jonita Gandhi.
And the person who sang with her in that particular song was Nakash Aziz. उनका तो गाना ऑलरेडी लगा दिया मैंने, जबरा fan.
Jabra fan.
Jabra
Nakash
fan.
Aziz has a lot. Le selfie to le with Vishal Dadlani. It's Nakash Aziz who has sung. And at the same time, Nakash Aziz has a lot of these Dick Jack songs, like, you know, total dance numbers that he has sung.
Yes, yes.
And
There is one more singer we have to play right now.
huh.
You have a thing?
I have a singer.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if he should. There's a lot of songs of his, so
Yeah.
I was trying to figure out whether. But he has sung. You know, there's a.
Yeah, we both are talking the same person.
There is one song which the movie didn't become a hit, Banujan. Jabariya Jodi.
Ah.
Oh my God,
Chilla,
that song
Hilela.
will make you dance. And this
Let's
particular
do it.
singer, Bandujan, he's also sung in the movie Chichore. Generally, he is paired with Tushar Joshi, almost always.
Yeah.
Nakash Aziz, Tushar Joshi, and this singer.
Because
These
all
three
their
guys,
voices sounds very fresh. Like, you know, it's youngster kind of voices.
young voices.
Yeah.
And the singer has also sung the song that God has sung that song. Sweetie tera drama baja de hangama.
It's from the movie. It was maybe those singers again. It was maybe duet singers, isn't it?
Is it Nakash Aziz and him?
Yes, it's the two of them actually in that song.
Yeah.
But we'll have to think of a song where he sung all by himself, right?
Yes. There is a song which
We'll
is.
play a song of his. You got to think about it. जब तक फाल्तुनी यहाँ पे कॉल करेगी, कॉल नहीं. जब तक यहाँ पे फाल्तुनी हमें सॉन्ग लगाएगी, आप कॉल कीजिएगा. Was not going to tell you actually. Yeah. तो ये लगाएगी. Maybe you got to guess who you got to find out who sung it. Right? Who sung the song, right? And yes, Melpan sa आपका message पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं. Vani Jairam should be included. Yes, she is. We're not saying they're not included. All these people are included in the whole thing. But today we're focusing on the current crop of singers who probably are not getting the kind of push which they would ideally require to be recognized actually, because money जो आता है, money है तो honey है, right? Money है तो बंदे हैं. But yeah, you can't expect anybody to be a honey sing to be backed by all kinds of money, right? This kind of stuff. And yes, I definitely think the people we are featuring today are better singers than the honey sings or badshahs of the world. But honey sing and badshahs of the world have a different thing on their thing, that they actually also make their own music, and they're very famous in the underground, whatever, disco route or whatever you call it, right? Disco clout. Right? And लेकिन ये गायक जो हम आज feature कर रहे हैं ना, they actually have sung some very good songs, but probably have not gotten as much exposure what they would have to get because of the clout or because of the clique which is formed in Indian industry. I wouldn't call it nepotism. I call it more of cliques only. It's like, people forming cliques and bullying other people who are not part of the clique. That's what happened. Now, yeah, why would you want to get an actress who's what's her name, Alia Bhatt, to sing a song? Not required. Why should Salman Khan get into singing? I want to ask you a question. Salman, why is he not happy just producing movies and having money everywhere? Right? All those things. Now, yeah, if they could. In fact, they could. I'm getting a lot of people actually messaging on Facebook saying that, they're dropping names out of people of those times also. Like, yeah, Vinod Rathod, everybody are there. Yes, we're talking about them also. But the thing is, we are right now concentrating again, as I said, on the current crop of singers.
Correct.
Current crop of singers who are available for projects, right?
Yeah.
Those kind of people.
Yeah.
So let's do this. You have the song for...
This guy has all duets.
Uh-huh.
So there is one song which hasn't been played in a very long time.
Okay.
So there is this. I would suggest we should play this song.
Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So सुनिएगा, enjoy कीजिएगा और हमें call करके बताइएगा कि ये कौन है बंदजान.
खेलन क्यों न जाए तू हो रे रसिया खेलन क्यों न जाए तू हो रे
The title track of the movie, बद्री की दुल्हनिया.
कहाँ है बद्री की दुल्हनिया
तेरी मलू गुलाल रंग बता बुलू या लाल एयर में तेरे
Rap is by Ikka. I'm telling you that. We're not asking for him.
अरे सारा रा रा अरे सारा रा रा कबीरा सारा रा रा
बेबी के देखे झुमके लगाते चार ठुमके छिछोरे नाचे जमके रे यूपी में दिन दहाड़े विंडो और छत पे ताड़े हम देखे आंखें फाड़े रे अरे 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 तुझ पे टिकी है मेरी नोटी नजरिया तुझको बना करके तुझको बना करके तुझको बना करके ले जाएंगे बद्री की दुल्हनिया तुझको बना करके ले जाएंगे बद्री की दुल्हनिया रानी बना करके ले जाएंगे बद्री की दुल्हनिया
मुन्निया रे मुन्निया बद्री की दुल्हनिया मुन्निया रे मुन्निया बद्री की दुल्हनिया
And बंदजान सोच रहे कि फीमेल सिंगर कौन है यार. नेहा कक्कर ऑटोट्यून की रानी बोल सकते हैं because somebody talked about it. But we're interested in the male singer. इसमें male voice कौन है? Not the rapper but the actual singer. अंदर की बात है. कॉल कीजिएगा 408912279.
बेबी बड़ी भोली है बेबी की रंग दी चोली है अंग्रेजी में खटपट में डमरी बुरा न मानो होली है
रामा रामा गजब हो गया तरसे नजरिया लड़ गई आई जवानी जुल्म हुई गवा किस आफत में पड़ गई
सारा रा रा कबीरा सारा रा रा
गया तरसे नजरिया लड़ गई हाय जवानी जुल्म हुई गवा किस आफत में पड़ गई हाय मैं मर गई सूली पे चढ़ गई
हाय।
नो 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 कहना
हाय।
लेकिन हाँ कर गई दिल तुझको सेंड मैं तो कर रही रे मैं बदरी की दुल्हनिया
हाँ यस यस, इसमें चंद मुसाफिर है एक्चुअली अरेंजिंग ऑफ द टाइम, लेकिन गाना क्वेश्चन तो हमारा अलग है भाई। क्वेश्चन हम पूछ रहे हैं इसमें मेल सिंगर कौन थे? Who was singer? चलो यार, I'll tell you what, ये बंदा sometimes I feel is getting typecast to be one only play that kind of songs only, sing that kind of songs. To his credit, those songs are becoming hit.
Yeah.
Energy he brings in is awesome. मूवी भले फ्लॉप हो, बंदा गाने को हिट करा के जाएगा।
Exactly.
एक और गाना पेश करना हुआ यहाँ पे, this we're not bothered about the female singer because she already has got also a lot of popularity going on because the cloud she's part of already. But the other singers are very interesting. We have singers like Raja Hassan in it. We're not talking about that. We're talking about Parvesh Malik, who also are the other
They're
voices.
all supporting voices.
Supporting voices
vocals.
about all the the Qawwali style का, लेकिन main voice जो है इन्हीं का है, and probably this will be the last song for the evening, right?
Oh really?
Probably. Or you want to continue further?
No,
I don't know.
no.
तेरा mood पे बात। Here you go, बच्चा. Listen to the song. We'll come back and tell you who this Jabariya voice is of from the movie. Jabariya Jodi Badajan. The song is called Zilla Hilela.
Who's the music for this movie?
अरे तनिष बागची भाई। hey.
बिजली गिरा दे रानी, ओए कूलर चला दे रानी, बिजली गिरा दे रानी, कूलर चला दे रानी, आया है हीरो कमाल कर दे, बुला ले आजा नाचेगा तेरा राजा, बोल फिरी पे तू ताल कर दे,
हेलो हेलो
जब खबर तेरी बलकाए, हर दिल से निकले हाय, जब हिले तू भूकंप आवेला, पटना हिले, बलिया हिले, छपरा हिले ला, ओ छोरी लचके, गोरी लचके, ओ तेरी लचके, जब कमरिया सारा जिला हिले ला, ओ छोरी लचके, जब कमरिया सारा जिला हिले ला। प्यार बड़ा है देसी बेबी, इसमें क्या अचंभा, रोज करे तू डिस्को बेबी, आज तू कर ले जुम्बा, मेरा प्यार बड़ा है देसी बेबी, इसमें क्या अचंभा, रोज करे तू डिस्को बेबी, आज तू कर ले जुम्बा, जब कमर तेरी बलकाए, हर दिल से निकले हाय, जब हिले तू भूकंप आवेला, काशी हिले, मथुरा हिले, झांसी हिले ला,
ओ मेरी लचके हाय 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 लचके हाय हाय लचके जो कमरिया सारा जिला हिले
Vincent, क्या आपने पहचाना कि नहीं? I don't think you recognize who the singers are. Well, let's tell you what, that's why we do shows like this called Who Sung It Show. And आज के करंट क्रॉप में कौन-कौन सिंगर्स है? ये सिंगर मैं बता दूं क्या नाम उसका? फालतू नहीं।
बता देते हैं आलतू बाबा, हमें
ये-
बंदों को मालूम नहीं है।
एक चीज जो हमने अभी रिसर्च के टाइम पे पता लगाया कि ये तो एक्चुअली मोस्ट ऑफ द सॉन्ग्स ही sang as a duet or in a group.
Yeah.
But the song becomes really famous by and this is our Dev Negi Saab.
He's the same person who has sung, you know, even that song Nach Meri Jaan,
Sung-
Hoke Magan Tu.
Let's do this. He has co-sung many songs.
Yeah. He's also sung in Chichore, right?
That's true. That's also co-singing
Yeah, exactly.
along with
He's-
Nakash Aziz.
Ha, Fikr Not. Arre, Pagal Fikr Not.
That's right.
That's-
But again, this voices are very interesting, and they have been getting some kind of job, but some kind of thing in the movies. But I don't know how much of a push they're getting in terms of publicity for themselves.
Correct.
Well, yeah, because Indian cinema में एक कहावत है, Bollywood का कहावत है, show business is like no business, right? They say, right, Raj Kapoor के time they say like, you know, showman था, because he was there on everybody's, mind.
हाँ.
So it's like, you know, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है कहावत है.
हाँ.
And that's what's happening with them as well. So when you go Google them, obviously people will look up about them, and probably they'll get more hits to their personal Twitter accounts. You never know. वैसे भी तो most of our Bollywood stars and Twitter stars and all, or TikTok stars are getting into big problem. The news item we shared this morning on Good Morning Babe, Badajan, actually is very interesting. Go check it out on MediaMahima.com. A particular lady who's 54 years old, she used to make dance videos on TikTok.
Oh, wow.
Guess what her monthly salary was to get us.
She used to get money from TikTok?
Not from TikTok, from advertisers.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, 50,000 rupees.
Kya?
Yeah, 50,000 rupees just for making TikTok videos on a monthly basis.
Wow,
Advertisers
yeah.
advertising with her. Now the thing is, yeah, the revenue there now, was that how much of it is going to TikTok? We don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, TikTok also have to use their own thing, right? So it's fine. But let's do this, Faltwani.
Huh.
When I said last, you didn't feel, you're not very happy me saying this will be the last song.
Because I wanted to leave our bandhus with a beautiful voice and a beautiful song which hasn't played in a very long time.
Please, go ahead.
So this particular singer is one more singer, Banajan, that we think is one of the an amazing singers in the Hindi film industry. He's got some beautiful songs. I think he mainly sings for Shankar Sanan Loy, right?
Not necessarily.
I mean, all his... Vishal Shekhar too,
Vishal
right?
Shekhar is easy because Vishal Shekhar and Shankar Sonloy, I think they are the creators.
Yeah.
So they don't have affiliation to a particular, group, music group.
Yeah.
So the way I see Bharjan, I say corporatize the industry. Corporatize the
I don't know
industry.
these words.
But the reason I said that thing is Faltani because it's classified. So basically, two entities hold the whole thing: Z Music, T Series.
Yeah.
Licenses are held by them.
Yeah.
Now
Sony also probably. to an
Sony, yeah,
extent.
but Sony, they're the so-called media, right?
Yeah.
Now they buy media. Z have their own media. TC don't have their media, but TCD have other media they work with. UTV, all the places.
Yeah,
So
and they
actually-
have all the radio stations.
Correct, and they make sure they have media, मतलब they have airspace everywhere. तो
Yeah.
जो भी वो लेते हैं as contract, उस वहाँ पे जाता है, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. People actually see it and consume it. That's what happens.
Right.
Now movie makers can launch their movie, but when the movie is launched, audio is launched by these two people only.
Yeah.
Movie makers, movie houses like Dharma Production or XL Production, they have the choice to go to their required music directors. Music directors don't have affiliation with the music industry as in T Series and all. They would not have a contract with them. The contract goes to VIA. So no matter what creative singers the music directors bring in.
We don't know that aspect, whether they have contracts or not, but
But क्या फर्क पड़ता है बोलने में?
yeah.
So the music directors, what? So what? They listen to Bollywood, listen to us, man. Doesn't
Yeah.
matter. So what? After what I heard Sonu Nigam say, I really think it's right. We should actually talk about it. We should
Yeah.
talk about these things.
Yeah.
And that's what happened. So, but anyway, these singers are there, but we have to give them more love. That's
Yeah.
all we got to do, right? We
Yeah.
got to give them money. Don't just give them more love. Listen to their songs, enjoy the songs. So wrapping up our show today with this thing, with this song. You want to talk about the singer actually, or you want to leave it as a Facebook question to people?
This particular singer, Banajan, is somebody who has sung. He sung some beautiful songs. There's a song from I Hate Love Stories called Bin Tere, the beautiful song. There's another song called Mitwa from the movie. Kya hai? From the movie.
What song is it?
From Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. He's got some amazing songs.
He's an amazing singer also. by the
He's
way.
a very good singer. In fact, उनका एक गाना है जो बहुत दिनों से नहीं बजा है रेडियो पे, and वो हम लोग आपके लिए अभी बजाएंगे. So should we give out the name or no?
Yeah, if you're wrapping up, you can go the name also, right?
Okay, we'll give out the name of this particular person, Banjan. And this is, of course, he is a classically trained singer, an amazing. Obviously, a lot of these Sufi singers are classically trained. He's
Or do you want to give out as a question to people? I
We'll
don't
give it
think-
as a question. Put
On
it on
Facebook.
Facebook,
Yeah,
Banjan. Put the question answer on Facebook. One of my favorite songs of his is that song Dildara. Oh darling, darling, stand. Oh mehrima. वो बहुत ही beautiful गाना है. But I'm not going to play that song because we have played it a few times. So here's what we're going to leave you with. निरंजन आयंगार के बोल है बनजान, शंकर एहसान लॉय का म्यूजिक है. From the movie My Name is Khan. ये सिंगर कौन है आपको फेसबुक पे पोस्ट करना है. facebook.com/Radio Day Hotties.
तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे, तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे, तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे, तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे। नैनों की चाल है, मखमली हाल है, नीची पलकों से बदले समा। नैना शर्माए जो या के भर आए जो, थम के रुक जाए दोनों जहां। रब की नेमत है तेरी निगाहें, जिसमें बसती है उसकी दुआएं। ऐसे नैनों की बातों में कोई क्यों ना आए। ओ तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे, तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे। ओ ऐसे नैनों की बातों में कोई क्यों ना आए। ओ तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे, तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे।
Very good, very good. Malpaja Saab, you got it right. It is Shafkat, Amanat Ali, and Amit Mishra. Nahi hai yaar. But Deepa, this is a good thing. You should go Google right now.
Yeah, please Google.
And you'll learn more about the wonderful songs they have sung actually. एक नहीं दो नहीं काफी सारे गाने उन्होंने अच्छे गाए हैं. तो इसी के साथ बच्चे we're going to be leaving you guys with a song, remaining part of the song I suppose, and we're going to tell you right now. Good night, Shabba Khair.
And कल सुबह मिलेंगे बंदजान with Good Morning Bay. प्यार भरा अभी.
आहट ख्वाबों की, चाहत धड़कन की, उनके कदमों के हैं ये निशान। चाहे कुछ ना बोलूं, चाहे राज ना खोलूं, ये समझते हैं मेरी जुबान। मुझ पे बरसी जो तेरी निगाहें, मेरी सांसों ने बदली अदाएं। हो ऐसे नैनों की बातों में कोई क्यों ना आए। तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे, तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे। ऐसे नैनों की बातों में कोई क्यों ना आए। तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे, तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे।
We hope you're loving the music. The best music with the best entertainment. You know where it
दूरी मिटा दे, धड़कन को बढ़ा दे, पलकों में समा ले। ज़ख्म पे मरहम, फूल पे शबनम, जग भूले भूले, दिल छूले छूले। तेरे नैनों पे आ गई तो तारे भी शर्माए। तेरे नैना तेरे नैना, नैनों की चाल बदले रसीने मथे तेरी निगाहें जिसमें बसती है उसकी दुआएं ऐसे नैनों की बातों में कोई क्यों ना आए हो तेरे नैना रे तेरे नैना रे तेरे नैना रे तेरे नैना रे तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना रे.
Hi, this is Shankar.
Hi, this is Ehsan.
Hi, this is Lloyd. And you're listening to Radio D Hotties.